Ancient pathogens, a new food safety risk. Roundworms get into our bodies when we ingest their eggs, which are found in soil, on plants, and in contaminated food. The eggs hatch into larvae inside us. The larvae usually live in the digestive tract, causing mild symptoms or no symptoms. Occasionally, however, roundworm larvae travel into other parts of the body, including the liver, lungs, and other organs where they can damage tissues. Worms can even make their way into eyes where they can cause blindness. A few months ago, we shared the story of a woman who had a worm in her brain after eating raw forage greens contaminated with worm eggs. Now, scientists have carbon dated a novel species of roundworm which survived in suspended animation, which is properly called cryptobiosis, in permafrost, and which they were able to reanimate after thawing. It is 46,000 years old. Other frozen microscopic creatures, such as bedelloid rotifers, have been able to reproduce after thousands of years of cryptobiosis. With permafrost thawing at an unprecedented rate due to global warming, do we face dangers from previously undiscovered food-borne pathogens like ancient species of roundworm? Probably. There's already been a deadly anthrax outbreak attributed to thawing permafrost, releasing anthrax from previously frozen human or deer or reindeer remains. Zombie viruses. Researchers have recently characterized dozens of never-seen-before viruses from thawed permafrost. One group even used the phrase zombie viruses in their research paper, adding that it is wrong to assume such viruses are not a threat to public health. While zombie viruses, antique strains of anthrax, and new species of parasitic worms are scary, they're hardly worth worrying about compared to the carbon-related effects of permafrost melting. When permafrost melts, it releases the carbon it stores into our atmosphere, rapidly accelerating the greenhouse effect and driving further global warming. NASA estimates that permafrost in the Arctic holds 1,700 billion tonnes of carbon as both methane and CO2, an amount more than 50 times higher than global fossil fuel emissions in 2019. Now, that's scary.